All right, guys, let's look at this again. We did number 4. Okay. Now, domain. All it is x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Okay. Add 1. X values greater than equal to 1. All right. So that's your domain. That will always be greater than, yes. All right, now, range, what you're going to do, guys, is plug that in. That's square root of 1, 1 minus 1 plus 2. All right, now, that's going to be the square root of 0 plus 2. That cancels out. So now, that's a positive 2. And it does open up, so it's going to be y values greater than equal to 2. That's your range. Only time it's going to be, say up here, if that was a negative in front of that whole thing, then this would switch to the other direction. Does everybody see that? If that was negative, if that had a negative here, this would switch to less than equal to. Okay. Now, horizontal. Now, guys, you can do horizontal a couple ways. The way I would do it, you can set it equal to 0 if you want to, but this sign right here, whatever this sign is, it's opposite of that. Because if I set this equal to 0, x is 1, right? That makes a positive number. Or you could just say, and see, this tells you to move 1 right. Or you could say if it's minus, if it's a minus here, it moves 1 right. If it's positive, it moves left. So in this case, it is 1 unit right. Okay. Vertical is your K value. That will be 2 units up. Okay, and then A value. The A value is just 1, right? If the A value is 1, there's no A value transformation. So if it's just 1, there's no A value transformation. Did we forget anything? Huh? Okay. If you set it equal, if you take what's underneath the radical and set it equal to 0, you get a positive 1. That'll tell you it moves 1 right. Or instead of doing all that work, you could just say it's always opposite of what it is here. So you think negative 1 to move to the left, but it's actually opposite, it moves right. You can do it both ways. I just showed you this way because that's really mathematically how you get it. That's how you get it. Yes. I want to do them together. I just want to do them together. She might cut your throat, man. All right. So, guys, I want you to go ahead and work on those.